Hi, today we are going to talk about, in this particular video, about the tests which are supposed to be conducted just after the chapter, and that can be done on cpdonline.in. Now, test or assessment is an integral part of the instruction as it determines whether the goals of education are being met or not. This video is meant for students as well as teachers. Principals have to also see it so that they can review it. So, students, you have to ensure that after every chapter there is a test you are supposed to take so that we are able to find out whether you have understood the chapter or not. And please watch this video to understand why it is important to take that particular test. Teachers, you also watch this video to understand why it is important to take a test after every chapter. And at cpdonline.in, where MCQs are already there, in NCERT, if you see this backdrop of this particular video, you will find out there is a chapter, NCERT chapter, and after the chapter there is there's a button. When you click, it starts the exam. So you can give the exam just pressing that button. Assessment affects decisions about grades, placement, advancement, instructional needs, and curriculum. Assessment inspires us to ask hard questions. Teachers, you have to think about few questions. Are we teaching what we think we are teaching? Are students learning what they're supposed to be learning? Is there a way to teach the subject better, thereby promoting better learning? So, assessments are very much necessary for us to understand as teachers as whether we are teaching well. For students, it is very important to take these tests after every chapter to understand whether you have understood the chapter or not. Or what are the portions of the chapter you haven't understood. You think you know every portion, but do you know every portion? When this test or assessment works the best, what does it do? When you take this test, what does it do? It provides diagnostic feedback. In diagnostic feedback, what is the student's knowledge base? What is the student's performance? What are the students' need? What has to be taught? For teachers, it set the standards. What performance demonstrate understanding? What performance demonstrate knowledge? What performance demonstrate mastery? This assessment evaluates the progress. How is the student doing? What are the teaching methods or approaches which were most effective? What changes or modification to a lesson are needed to help the student? This is what teacher need to think on. Relates to the student's progress. Has the student learned? What has the student learned? Can the student talk about what he has learned? Can the student demonstrate the new skills in terms of project what he has learned? These tests will also motivate the performance. Student can self-evaluate. Now that I am in charge of my learning, how I am doing. Now whatever I am doing, but how can I do better? Students will also get to know after giving this test assessment, what else would I like to learn and what else would I learn? For teachers' self-evaluation, what is working for the students? What can I do to help students more? In what direction I go next? So many questions are there which get answered once this CPD online after chapter test is being done by the students. I will discuss about the effects of assessment in terms of student learning. Assessment is a key component of learning because it helps students learn. When students are able to see how they are doing in class, they are able to determine whether or not they understand the course material. Students will be able to understand whether they've understood or not after giving this assessment, after test, after chapter assessment. Assessment can also help motivate students. If students know what they're doing properly, if they're doing poorly, I'm sorry, they have to begin to work harder. Imagine a situation. In a test, after a chapter, a student has got 56% marks. Then that means 44% of the chapter is not known to the student. Or the student has missed out something very much important in the chapter. So the student has to revise that chapter. That means student has not understood the material. Or student is not studied long enough. Whatever the case may be. But we get to understand what we haven't understood, how much portion we haven't understood from this particular chapter. And it is just immediately after teaching, so it must be fresh in the mind of the students. When it comes to teaching, assessment also helps the teachers. Frequent assessment allows teachers to see if the teaching is being effective. The teacher has been effective or not. This is what can be identified. Assessment also allows teachers to ensure students learn what they need to know in order to meet the course learning outcome. So it is very important to give this assessment. When it comes to principal, there are some review points. And these are meant for teachers and students as well. Principal has to review, as when the principal's task grid in the principal handbook says, okay, today we have to review the students' chapter tests, after chapter test. Then principal has to review whether 100% of the students have given the test or not. You have to ask the teachers that on this particular day, please compile the result of the whole class of this particular chapter, and this must be on my table. And then when principal sees the test result, she can analyze or he can analyze the test result. If the whole class has done poor, that means the chapter needs to be done again. This is another review point. The teacher has to teach the chapter again. We can get to know about the teacher performance while teaching learning process. While seeing the test scores after the chapter, we will get to know immediately that who are the weaker students, those who require remedial class, who are the gifted students who have to be given more challenges. To the weaker, we can counsel and give a remedial class. So we will get to know after every chapter. This becomes so important. And this is an automated process. This is the tests are there on CPT online. Teachers doesn't have to work hard to create tests. The only thing is after the chapter is over, teacher has to ask, immediately go online and give this test. And when give the test, automatically a result is generated. Those results can be compiled by the teacher and given to the principal on the review day. We can give the feedback to the parents and suggest a way for the improvement. We can have teachers and students involved in the whole teaching learning process. We will also get to know that principal will get to know that the students have understood the chapter on this review day by seeing the analysis. By seeing the analysis or the marks pattern, principals can also review to understand which are the portions students have not understood. So only that portion can be repeated again. Students, after seeing the results, can identify their strength and weakness, and principals can communicate about the strength and weakness to them. See, one more advantage to this is after every chapter, if there is a test, there is a small learning is happening. In half yearly, there may be 8 chapters. In final examination, there may be 15 chapters. So it is very difficult for students to learn. So if the students do at least one chapter, give a test, then small learning is happening. Students, is a huge advantage to you. Teachers, it is a huge advantage to you. Both of you have got a huge advantage. And principals, you have a huge advantage so that the result of your school will improve dramatically. So please ensure these tests at cptonline.in are conducted after every chapter. Students have to give this test. And there are a lot of advantages which I have already discussed. So when the principal's handbook says in the principal's task grid that you have to review, please review it. Students, please give this test after every chapter. Trust me, nobody on earth can beat you. You are going to excel. You are going to be on the top of the world in academics. You will be invited by all the colleges. You will be getting all the government jobs, and your dreams are going to come true if you do these chapter tests and analyze your weakness in every chapter. I am sure you will get 100 out of 100 in your board examinations. You get 100 out of 100 in the chapter test, learn small, get 100 out of 100, understand, analyze your weakness, work on it. Teachers, it is so easy that students give a test and you can analyze whether they're right enough to, they know the answers or not. I'm sure you might have liked this video. If you like this video, do subscribe the channel. Keep on watching some nice videos which we are going to be bringing for the principals, teachers, students, and the whole school community. Thank you very much. Have a great day.